Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my current favorites. I feel like I haven't filmed this type of video in a long time, so I'm super excited to share with you guys all the items. Although the Amazon one, it's kind of similar, but it's not the same. I remember the last video was like a year ago, so it's about time. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So the first thing I want to share is this jewelry brand called Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand. So a little bit of jewelry background that I think everyone should know is that it takes 20 tons of earth mining to produce a single ring of gold, and cheap jewelry is rarely recyclable, so it's just all turned into a huge waste. That's why Ana Luisa uses 100% recycled gold and sterling silver to make their products, which is why I really love the brand and really want to stand behind them and support them. Not only that, but they're also keeping their prices as fair and accessible as they can. Most importantly, their quality. Their quality is amazing. Their products come from the same jewelers as, guess who? Tiffany's and Louis Vuitton. You hear me right. Which is why they're so confident in their quality, and they offer a complimentary 1-year warranty on every product. And right now I'm wearing some of their pieces. So these tiny ones are called Mini Love Knot. When I was on the website, I fell in love with these Mini Love Knot earrings. I think they're so dainty and just so adorable. Really simple, but beautiful at the same time. This necklace I really love as well. I love those simple little tiny dainty jewelries. Those are my favorite. I feel like you can wear them every single day and doesn't matter what kind of look that you're going for. These pearl earrings, I wouldn't call this a statement piece. I feel like it's kind of in between. It's like you're trying to show your personality, but you're still trying to lay low. It's hard to explain, but I really love these. The circle gold over here, and it just shows half of my earlobe. I really love the gold circle design with the pearl. I think it looks very classy and elegant. Their prices range from $49 to higher end prices. There are a lot of dainty pieces, and there are also some statement pieces. So there is something for everyone. I will include a link in my description box, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. And also Ana Luisa, they're nice enough to give me a code for you guys. You can save 10% using my code CHERY10. Make sure there's no L, it's just CHERY10. And you guys can get 10% off of your purchase. So yeah, take advantage and use my code for 10% off. Next, I want to share these two purses. I found these two purses on Instagram ads, and they're from a brand called Subloom. I was shocked because not only that they're super affordable, their designs though are super cute. This one has in different colors as well. I remember it has black and cream and pink, I believe. And it's super cute. This one is perfect for fall and winter, and I think this one is perfect for summer and spring. And this has in different colors as well. I picked this matcha color. I don't own a bag with this color, which I thought is very unique. And their quality is pretty good. Like their detailings, you can tell they're not playing around. Open it up like this. Okay. This one is pretty spacious. Obviously, it's not a huge bag, but this one I can put my wallet, my phone, my Invisalign case, and my car key. I can put quite a lot in here, and it's not that hard to get the stuff out. However, this one is a little harder. This one is smaller, and I think the material of this purse is just like harder, so it makes it like harder to find things, and there's not as much room as the great one. So just something that you should know before you purchase. But overall, I think it's worth it because I really love the design. These sunglasses, I have been loving these sunglasses lately, and I just think that it gives me a classic 90s or 80s vibes. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but I feel like it definitely gives me a vintage vibe, and I have just been loving it. The color that I see through these sunglasses are amazing. It's like the perfect filter and just makes the world so much prettier. And I was hoping like I can find something like this and just put it on my camera, and I just have like the instant filter that looks so amazing. Let me see if I can. I'm letting my camera wear the sunglasses. Do you see that color? And especially when you look at the sky. Can I just film like this? Like glue my glasses onto my camera? And these glasses also fit very well on my head, so I don't have to worry about carrying it around when I'm not wearing them. Bobbi Brown's Molten Drama Eyeshadow Palette. The colors are beautiful. There are some matte and some shimmery colors, easy to play around with, and it's also easy to blend. This color right here though, it's super unique. I cannot tell you what this color is because it feels like it's mixing it with different colors, and it's super unique. From one angle it looks like green, and from another angle it looks like brownish, orangish. I don't know. It's complicated. Whenever I look at this color, I feel like it's a dragon's color. I don't know. It just reminds me of a dragon for some reason, although dragons don't really exist, but this color reminds me of a dragon. On camera, it feels like an orange brownish tone, but in person you can see the purple, the green. I don't know. It's super unique. I've never seen any eyeshadow color like this. This huge mirror is a plus when you're traveling. The next item I want to share is bareMinerals lipstick. This is in the color Grace. It's like a very soft pink, nude pink. It just looks so pretty. It is super moisturizing and hydrating, which I love. So yeah, I think this is a perfect spring and summer color. The next item I want to share is this Blossom Cuticle Oil. It's super cute. You can see the flowers. This one is in the scent Rose. How I use it, I just dot it on to my cuticles. And don't forget the inside too, like inside your nails. Just like dot on it. And then I would just kind of like massage it into my skin. I put this on my desk and just keep it close to me. So whenever I see it, I would just remember to apply it. It's less than 10 seconds. It's super fast. You only need a tiny little bit. But if you put too much, just massage it into your finger because it's oil. So last but not least, I have a book recommendation for you guys. The Motivation Manifesto by Brendon Burchard. It says 9 declarations to claim your personal power. This is not a new book of mine. I've had this for a very long time. Whenever I'm feeling down, I would open up this book again and just read through a chapter. This book has helped me in many ways. Last year I was applying for a job, and that process was so freaking long. And I had not only an interview, I had to go through a 4 hours mental evaluation and also like a lie detector test kind of thing. The hiring process took a few months. This book has helped me so much with my interview process. I did really well. It gives me motivation and confidence, and just made me realize that in order to feel free and let go of your fear, it's all about your mindset. Once you have the right mindset, things are so much easier because you will realize there's nothing to be afraid of and there's nothing to feel nervous of or scared of. just be you, be yourself. That's the most important thing. I'm saying that right now, but as life goes on, I'm not going to be feeling this way every single day, and which is why whenever I'm going through something, I would open up this book again and just read through a certain chapter, and that really helps just make you stay positive and look at things differently. That is all of my current favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link everything I mentioned down below in my description box, and don't forget to use my code if you're interested in some of the jewelry pieces from Ana Luisa. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye! But I forgot to plug in my mic, so there's gonna be some footage in the middle that's without a mic, and I hope that's not too disturbing. I'm sorry.